Every year, Coca-Cola recycles over 500 million glass bottles, giving them a second life while helping our planet. But how does the process work? Let's take a closer look. It all starts when used Coca-Cola glass bottles are collected from stores, restaurants, and recycling bins. They are then transported to Coca-Cola's specialized recycling facilities, where they are carefully sorted and inspected. Once sorted, each bottle goes through a rigorous cleaning process. High-powered washers remove labels, dirt, and any residues, ensuring they are safe for reuse. Next, a team of experts, along with automated scanning technology, checks every bottle for cracks or defects. Only the strongest bottles move forward in the process. Once approved, the bottles are refilled with fresh Coca-Cola, sealed and packaged. They are now ready to be distributed back to stores, keeping the cycle of reuse alive. By recycling over 500 million glass bottles annually, Coca-Cola significantly reduces waste, conserves natural resources, and helps build a more sustainable future. So the next time you enjoy a refreshing Coca-Cola, remember, your bottle might just be on its next adventure.